What's important in a power strip? I think that safety, reliability, and versatility are the top things you need in a power strip. This surge protector strip is from Zoomach and offers all three. This is the Zoomach Surge Protector Power Strip. It has 6 AC outlets, 3 USB ports, and a 5-foot heavy-duty extension cord. It offers safety. It has overheat, overload, overvoltage, overcurrent, and fireproof protection. It offers 2,200 joules surge protection to allow you to safely use your computer, TV, or almost any household appliance. It has an overload protection switch right here to avoid equipment damage or fire due to voltage and current abnormalities. This power strip offers a child safety door as well. So if you can see, in each plug right here, there's a little slide. When you put a device in, it'll open up and then, give power to your device. Right now, no one can stuff their fingers in. The versatility of this power strip is also impressive. It offers quick smart charging technology. There are 3 2.4 amp USB ports that can even charge 3 tablets fast and efficiently at the same time. The LED lightning projection indicator shows whether the surge protector is properly grounded and your equipment is protected. So I'm going to plug in some devices to show you what it looks like. Alright, so I plugged in 2 devices. I plugged in my nice Biduc air purifier through the USB port over here. And I plugged in my phone charger for my phone through the AC ports here. Now I'm going to turn it on, and see what happens. Well, everything turned on. Power goes safely through. There are lights here to show when it's on and protected. So I will show you that in a close-up real fast. Alright, so right now the device itself is off, so I'm going to turn it on. Immediately you have a little white light to show that it's on, and then you have a red dot next to protected and a green dot next to not grounded. This is showing you what is going on right now, whether you're protected or not. Very helpful. Some of these surge protectors, they say they're surge protectors, but you never know if it's actually protecting anything. So this is what makes this device itself pretty unique. Also, it's very slim, sleek. You can hide this somewhere. It's not very open and big and bulky. So it's a really great device. Also, on the back, there is a place where you can hook and hang it on a wall if you need to. There's actually 2, one on each end. So that's great if you want to hang something up and charge it where it's in a convenient place. So many devices and small appliances now come with USB chargers rather than the AC adapter. I recently got several myself, including a personal humidifier, and a radio flashlight. Now I can plug these in directly into this power strip without using the adapters. So I can actually go down here to these 3 little ports and be able to use my device without having to go find an AC adapter. So that's a look at the Zoomach Surge Protector. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel below and like and comment as well. Thanks for watching.